Hi guys, welcome. Today I have a Samsung TV with a black screen problem and it has sound but no picture. So I will power it on and show you. Viewers, subscribe my channel if you have not and also like my videos. You will see that it has no picture, its power is on. So I will show you how to fix this problem. I will open it and check it what is the main fault. I have opened the screws to save the time, all the back case screws. Now I will lift the back side of the LCD TV, remove the connectors of speakers. Viewers, kindly note that whenever you open a LCD or LED TV that have a no picture fault, firstly check its backlight inverter section whether it's okay or not. Check for bulb capacitors, if there is any, change it. So first of all I will check the inverter section with power on and check whether its voltage is okay or not. Now the TV is in standby. I will press the key. Watch for the meter. Here you can see that it is showing 85 volts and coming down. So its range is from 40 to 90 volts, depends upon the LED TV models. Now I will open the connectors and other cables. We found that its backlight inverter section is okay and the problem is with the backlights. So I will open the panel and check the backlight strips with the help of a backlight tester. Watch my video complete, don't skip any part, so you can easily repair the LED TV with the backlight faults. Remove its front bezel. Lift the panel carefully. Now remove the plastic fitting of the panel. Now lift the reflectors. At the last we have the reflecting paper. Remove it also. If it has any screw, open it. Now our backlights are visible. I have LED tester. I will check the LED strip one by one. Positive on positive probe and negative on negative probe. We will see that its 3 lights are running and 2 are not, so it is a faulty strip. Now I will check the second strip. No light is glowing on this, so its both strips are faulty. I will change them. I have installed the new strips, but their bulbs are different and its parts number is different. I will modify the connector and solder it positive to the one positive side of strip and the negative side of the connector LED backlight connector with the negative of the second strip. Positive to one strip positive and negative to negative of the second strip. And then I will series these strips by connecting the other negative with this positive. Viewers, this is the method of seriesing or altering the LED strips if you have not the same model. Again listen, connect the positive connector to the positive side of one LED strip and negative wire to the negative connector of the second LED strips, like I am doing, and then take a wire and solder it from the negative of the first strip to the positive of the second, like this. It's very easy, viewers. If you find any difficulty or have any question regarding this method, come in comment section. I will answer you. Feel free to comment. LED strips work in series, so take care of that. Now whenever you change the LED strips before assembling, kindly check once, because if you assemble and you have done any wrong thing, that you have to reopen the same LED case. So whenever you work on a LED strip, make sure you have done the correct work by checking it. Now I have installed it, and now I will press the power key and check for you. Look for the standby key. We will watch that our backlight is okay now and it is working. Now because these light strips are not of the same model, I will have to alter this, and I am using double side tape to attach it to the back case. Viewers, avoid modifying of any LED. If you are unable to buy or you have not the same model LEDs in the market, then you have to modify it. You can use this method for all LED TVs. Whenever you modify, watch my video and do the work. Now this is okay. Put the reflectors back. Then the plastic fitting of panel. I will check it again by giving power, because I don't want to open the case again. There are a lot of screws. Also you can check the display and reflection of the lights you have installed, that it is okay or not. Now I will close the LED step by step. Adjust the panel carefully on all four sides, because it will break in any rush. Properly adjust it on all four corners. You can see that it is seated nicely. Now install the front bezel. I have turned the side and install all the screws of the panel and connected all the cables, LVDS and other backlight strip cables. Now I will check it for final time. Standby light is on. Now I will press the standby key and see the result. Guys, look this, our display is okay now. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Kindly like it and share it with your friends and family. Goodbye.